This has been an amazing opportunity to center my work and be able to focus on it singularly. I have a family and I teach. There aren't a lot of places where you can get funding to do work in peace and conflict studies and do research. So this symposium has given me incredible space to not only build relationships with other people, other PhD students and the faculty here in peace and conflict studies, but also really have the time to do the work and the space to do the work.
Over years of discussion, Al and Harriet Saperstein, they wanted to do something for Wayne State. They wanted to do something that advanced education. They also wanted to keep an eye on the higher mission and somehow to bring these ideas together, how nations and groups interact with each other, what kind of systems and structures need to be in place for society to not only sustain itself, but to protect itself over time, especially from extreme events like war and violence and new technologies. So that's how the symposium came together, was this realization that there are several PhD students here, and there are PhD students all across the nation who could come here to engage in a specific type of training that involves thinking about these kinds of problems as a group, because maybe every now and then a spark will happen. And that's ultimately what Al Saperstein wanted, and what Harriet Saperstein looks for, is these moments of learning, moments of insight that could potentially make that difference.
The most important here is the connection between the idea of the symposium and the reality, the history of the city, and the challenge that we are facing now in terms of peace and conflict. That is not only wars, it's also many things. The combination of different perspectives is the same for me. So I have my own research, my own dimension, but I enrich with different perspective, and I see, okay, I can include different other components in my future research.
We have several discussion sessions on different topics. There are students from different disciplines, so when I listen to their perspective, how they are dealing with different research questions, it really shaped my perspective, shaped my level of analysis.
We want people to be able to devote all their attention to what their work is, to not worry about these realities of life. So we try to cover that. So we provide a social environment, we provide opportunities for people to connect, we do outings. It's an experience in addition to everything else. It's a way of living for a month that involves focusing on work, interacting with like-minded others.
The future of our communities is resting on us being able to build alliances and to coexist regardless of some of the political issues that divide us. So I think that's been one of the greatest gifts, is like folks from all different backgrounds, all different disciplines, who are all coming at the work of peace and conflict studies from a different perspective. It's just something that you wouldn't get any other place, and it's really powerful.